What's going on, guys? Anthony here with AO Fitness. I thought you said. Oh, now they know I talk normal. Thanks. Just kidding. I'm not gonna do that. I just did that for you. What's going on, guys? Anthony here from AO Fitness. Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got another 2-Minute Tuesday. Now I know what you're thinking. Our 2-Minute Tuesdays are never 2 minutes long, but I gotta tell you, we're gonna try and change that. In the history of 2-Minute Tuesdays, I think our shortest 2-Minute Tuesday was like 8 minutes long, 9 minutes long. So we're gonna work on shortening that. What I want the 2-Minute Tuesday talks to be about are gonna be controversial topics in and around the fitness industry, or questions that you may have, or some of the most popular things going on. Like, let's talk about it. And then what I wanna do is close it out with maybe a statement or a question that I'm looking for your feedback on. So it's gonna be an open forum, open discussion. So feel free at any time during this to drop a comment down below. This one in particular, this series, is the one I'm going to be watching for comments and paying attention to, because I really want to be engaged in the comments with you. So whatever questions you have about the topic that we decide for the 2-Minute Tuesday, put that down in the comments. So on today's episode, we're going to be talking about not having time. Big question that I get asked a lot through BeastRx and through just people that I know and at the gym is like, how do you find time to work out, right? So that's what we're going to talk about. That's what we're going to discuss right after this. Alright guys, welcome back. So the number one complaint that I hear from most everybody is that they don't have enough time to work out. You've said it, I've said it, we've all said it. I just can't find the time in the day to work out. If finding time to work out is a challenge for you, you may want to consider breaking up your day into small chunks. Let's say you work a 9 to 5. No, I don't think anybody works 9 to 5s anymore. I think most of us are going to work like 8 to 10 hour days. What I'd suggest is if you're not finding time before and after work to work out, take the 3, 4, 10-minute breaks during your shift and work out during your breaks. And I'm not talking about like lifting desks and things like that. I'm just talking about raising your heart rate a little bit, breaking a sweat. You want to be like returning back to work kind of a little bit out of breath. And it may be like, if you work in a building, like for 10 minutes, walk vigorously or jog up and down the stairs, up and down the stairs, up and down the stairs. I mean, let's be honest, taking these small breaks and elevating your heart rate, getting a little bit of exercise in is not only good for your physical health, it's also really good for your mental health. But most of us, after we work out, we're a little more refreshed, a little more energized, and we're ready to attack the day. Now, some of us aren't struggling to get workouts in because of work. Some of us are stay-at-home dads, stay-at-home moms, and you just find yourself with so many things to do throughout the day that by time, you know, someone's there to help with the kids or something like that, like you're just exhausted. So my recommendation is to get in those small little exercises while you're doing housework or while you're doing chores, like the laundry and stuff like that. Like, look at it as like, I'm not doing laundry, but I'm doing like small miniature little deadlifts when you're picking up stuff off the ground and putting into the laundry, whatever. It sounds stupid, but I promise, like, if you just tell your mind and tell your body that, okay, I'm not doing laundry, I'm doing exercise, believe me, like, there's a difference there. So if you can package in a bunch of those throughout the day, it's really gonna add up, especially if you're just not finding the time to get into the gym. Let's say you work from home and you've got a home office and you're sitting at a desk all day long. You can still apply the same principles to the 3 like 10-minute breaks throughout the day to get 30 minutes of exercise, but you can also change things up a little bit. The technology today has just come so far. I mean, they've got the elevating desk, they got the desk on the treadmill, you've got like, you could sit on like a stability ball. And I'm just gonna go ahead and say this. I'm gonna call you all out. I guarantee that the majority of you guys watching this video right now have a Netflix subscription, okay? So it's all fun and games when we say let's Netflix and chill. I think that we should change that. I think we should change it to Netflix and treadmill. What do you think? Think that'll be cool? I mean, I'll make up some t-shirts. This has the Netflix logo and treadmill. Like, I'm totally down to do it. Would you guys buy a t-shirt if I made a Netflix and treadmill t-shirt? I think that would probably take off pretty good. But guys, it's all about changing the mindset. It's all about, you've got plenty of time to work out. It's just a matter of what your circumstances are, what your arena is, and how bad you want it. Where these may seem like small changes, all the little stuff adds up to make monumental, huge, drastic changes. And remember, doing something is way better than doing nothing. All right, guys, so that's gonna be it for today's 2 Minute Tuesday. The question that I have for you that I want you to post in the comments below is, what is your favorite thing to do at home to get additional exercise that doesn't take very long at all? Go ahead and put that in the comments below. Make it a question so I can respond to it. I wanna engage with you guys. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe, like, comment, all that fun stuff. Guys, you know what to do. Get out there and do something epic. Stop it. Stop it.